Ew. Ew. It's a snake. Was not expecting that. Seeing all kinds of creatures this morning. What is this? Look at that thing. Morning, everybody. We were planning on finishing Uncle Jeff's wet corn pit today. Yesterday, Dad and I got 3 loads in there. We were just gonna do 4 more today. And then we got an unforecasted ½ inch of rain. We really needed that rain, but it's gonna make finishing that pit tough today. But we gotta grease the combine, get everything ready, and wait a little bit for stuff to dry out, and hopefully we can start cracking and packing later today. Shut it. He's making fun of me. It looks like Uncle Jeff got less rain here, which is good. You know, we got to go down this hill, which water likes to collect, and then everything's downhill, and it don't work good.
What about the other direction?
It's uphill. When we're going up, it's uphill. Which, all right, we're gonna see if this thing is plugged if the rain washed that garbage down. Oh, it's wet corn now, I tell ya. Pumpkin. Give it the old 18-wheeler squish. We're gonna take it nice and slow down the hill. We got sun, we got wind, it's gonna dry it out real fast. Oh! So this truck is load 4, and we usually fit about 7 into this pit. We have truck 4 and 5 harvested. We're hopefully gonna be able to harvest 2 more today. You know, ½ inch is quite a bit, but we really haven't had much for rain in the last month. So it should soak in. Look at the paint job on this thing. That ceramic coat made it look pretty. And he'll start slipping right about there. Oh! The thing is with that truck, yesterday when I was running it, I had to get a couple runs at it just because the ground's uneven. You know, you get a couple tires that are getting traction, but then the other 2 are just spinning. So yeah, you get an ounce of moisture back down here and you're out of luck.
Okay, so Cole, I got a plan for this empty truck and getting it out of here without getting stuck.
Ain't gonna work.
I'm gonna try it.
Alrighty.
Here's my plan, folks. Instead of making this U-turn and getting in the greasy spot, I'm gonna go wide and I'm gonna get on that grass. And I'm gonna get up that hill a ways. And then I'm gonna back down into the grass. And then I'm gonna avoid that. And I'm gonna go right up through here. And by the time I get 12 feet past Cole, I'll be up to a screaming 17 mile an hour. And then when I get up that greasy hill, I'll be down to -1 mile an hour. I'll step on the brakes, you pull me the rest of the way.
You bet. Alright, this looks like a nice spot to watch the show. Now he's gonna get far back and then run up. Maybe. Hopefully he doesn't hit that calf shelter. I don't know. His door just popped open a little bit. He just ran over a chunk of concrete. I think he got over so he wouldn't hit that calf shelter there. Now remember, he's planning on being about 17 miles an hour here. Door popped open. Yo, he got it. Holy smokes. 5 loads. That is some good stuff. Look at that. Don't you wish you were a cow? You would plop down right here and have this whole pit to yourself. I'll show you what I brought for lunch today. We get a schmeat sandwich, oatmeal square, and apple strawberry go-go squeeze. We did move fields, so we gotta hook the header back onto the combine. How much water comes out of the end of this from the rain. There it is. It's a nice cob. I'm guessing the water all leaked out of here already. The corn looks pretty wet falling in there. Did you wash this window? It looks really clean.
Thank you. Now, it rained though. That is extremely clean. Did you clean it?
No, I didn't do it.
The inside is clean. Damn, that was quite a rain.
This is where we chop silage, so there's a couple short rows, not very wide stuff. we're just cleaning that up. Back to labor camp I go. The gravel's got dry spots now, so this should be getting easier. The last bag. And there's the end of load 6. One more. Let's see how Uncle Jeff does it. Like it's nothing. Moisture on that is some of the wettest we've done, and it is hanging up in the grain cart. Just minutes left, we had to shear a bolt. We were hoping to be done with this at 2 today. Right now it's 6 o'clock. That rain set us back, but we needed it, so can't complain too much. We got her all packed. I'm gonna do one more back drag to get it kind of smooth, and then I reckon it's tarp time. This pit was looking kind of ugly. I didn't like the shape, wasn't too proud of it, but you know, about 40 minutes of finished work and it's all right. pretty well put together. That's one of the big things for us. You know, we got silage, we got wet corn harvest, and then we're ready to get the beans out. Well, thanks for watching, folks. Hope you enjoyed high moisture corn. We're done with that. I think we'll be hauling manure tomorrow. I got a couple days of that. And then bean harvest is probably late into next week. You know, like it's coming fast. So hope you tune in. Love to see you next time. Have a good one. Love checking things off the list. Wet corn. We'll have to get to those later this week.